Hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning.
How are you
My
today?
first dress. Sorry, I can't.
Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear.
Okay, fantastic. Can you hear me? Can see me as well, right?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So let me repeat myself. I said good morning. Good to see you today.
Good morning.
Did you just wake up?
No, I live in Germany.
Oh,
Uh,
okay. So in a different time zone. It's about for you. It's about time to go to bed.
sorry, I can.
No problem. I will
Uh,
speak a bit slow. I said,
sorry.
in Germany, it's time to go to bed. Okay?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay. I'm not so far away from you. I'm from Poland. So we're very
Oh,
close. So let me introduce myself. My name is Umer. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
my name is Yuzumo. Nice to meet you too.
Yuzumo. Wow, that's a
Yeah,
beautiful name, Yuzumo. Nice to meet you.
thank you
Awesome.
very much.
What are you doing in Germany? What do you do?
Uh, I'm a housewife.
Oh, nice. And do you like to live in Germany? Is it a nice country?
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
Uh, sorry, I
Okay.
can't speak English.
Good job.
Uh,
Fantastic. All right, since we have a very short lesson, we only have 7 minutes. So let me quickly take you to the lesson, okay?
okay,
All right,
okay.
fantastic. So take a look at the first screen, which is name and greeting. So, number one, first challenge, please look at your directions.
Yeah,
You read the directions?
I'm done.
Okay, fantastic. So now I want you to just repeat these sentences after me only one time.
Yeah,
Okay? First one,
okay.
what's your name?
What's your name?
I'm Jenny.
I'm Jenny.
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
It's Jenny.
It's Jenny.
Nice to meet you, Jenny.
Nice to meet you, Jenny.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Well done, well done. Excellent job. Do you understand everything? Do you have any questions?
uh, no,
No?
I understand. Yeah.
Well done, very good. Okay, great. So let's move on to the second challenge. Please look at the directions
Yeah.
on your side.
Yes. I'm done.
Okay?
Hmm?
So let's start.
Okay.
What's your name?
I'm Jenny.
How do you spell it?
It's Jenny.
Nice to meet you, Jenny.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow, fantastic. Well done. Good job, good job. All right, I see you're doing very good. That's excellent. All right, ready for the third
Thank you.
challenge? You're welcome.
Yes.
Okay, please check the directions.
I'm done.
Okay, well done. So let's begin. What's your name?
I'm Yuzumo.
How do you spell it?
It's Yuzumo.
Nice to meet you, Yuzumo.
Nice to meet you too.
Well done. Good job. Excellent. All right. Well, this time we will switch the roles. Okay?
Okay.
So this time you will start and I will answer.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
What's your name?
I'm Umar.
How do you spell it?
It's Umer.
Nice to meet you, Omar.
Nice to meet you too. Well done. Great. One more time. You're doing so well. Okay, let's move on. We still have 4 minutes. Let's quickly take a look at the next section. Next section is about residence and birthday. Okay?
Okay.
So please read the directions on your side.
Okay.
Done?
I'm done. Yeah.
Okay. So just like last time, repeat
Okay.
these phrases after me only once. Number one, where do you
Okay.
live?
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
I live in New York.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
One more time. When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
Better. Good job. My birthday is in May.
My birthday is May.
My birthday is in May.
My birthday is in May.
Well
Okay.
done. Good job. All right, last one. My birthday is on the 1st of August.
My birthday is on the 1st of August.
Good job. Very good pronunciation. Okay. Now, ready for the second challenge?
Okay.
Okay. Please read the directions.
Yeah.
Done?
Done.
Okay. Let's start. I'm starting. So, where do you live?
Where do you live? No. I'm living in New York.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in May.
Well done. Good job. Thumbs up. All right. Now, ready for the third challenge?
Yes.
Okay. Please read the directions. We have 1 minute. Let's do it quickly.
Okay.
All right. So, I'll start. Where do you live?
I live in Frankfurt.
And when is your birthday?
My birthday is in December.
Is in December. Well done. Good job. Okay. Your turn.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Warsaw.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in July. Well done. Awesome. All right. Well, for today, we can stop here. We only have 30 seconds left. I hope you had fun. You had fun?
Yes, I
Awesome.
fun.
Was
Thank
it
you
a
very
good
much.
lesson?
Yes, great.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy you liked it. So I will wish you the a very pleasant evening. Take care. It was great to have lesson with you, and just keep practicing like that. You're doing very well. Do you have any questions for me?
No,
All
no,
right.
I
All right.
have.
Well, then
Yeah.
take care. Hope to see you again.
It's